Welcome to the Java class. In last video, we discussed about the interface. So in this video, we will execute the program on interface. So interface is nothing but there is only a method declaration and implementation of the method will be in class. Okay. So here is I have example how to declare interface with help of the interface keyword. Here I have declared the interface, that is the bank. Interface has one opening brace and one closing brace. Inside the opening brace and closing brace we have a method which is only declared, that is float rate of interest. Okay, so implementation of the method rate of interest will be in the class, that is the sub SBI. Okay, so I have created the SBI class which is the implemented from the interface. Okay, we need to use implement keyword to implement the bank interface. Okay, so here I implementing the method which is declared in the bank interface, that is rate of interest. Okay, I am returning the rate of interest which is the type of data. Public the float rate of interest return 9.15 fraction. Okay, means the returning the rate of interest 9.15. Okay, next is I have declared the class that is PNB, another class that is PNB which is implemented from the bank interface, and I have implementing the method that is rate of interest which is declared in the bank interface. Okay, so inside the rate of interest method I am returning the value of a rate here, rate of the interest, that is 9.7. Next here we will just make it movable. Okay, so here I have created the class that is the text interface. Inside the text interface I have here main method, that is public static void main string args. I have created the object of the interface which contains the address of the object of class SBI. Okay, how to create the object with help of the new keyword. It will create the object of SBI class and I am storing it into interface variable B. I am just printing the rate of interest, that is system.out.println b dot rate of interest, rate of interest. Okay, so it will display the rate of interest, that is 9.15. Okay, because I have created the object of the class SBI. If you want to display this method display this value 9.7, just create the object of the PNP class. Okay, so this is about the program. Okay, so let's move to the program session. Okay, so let's create the interface with help of the interface keyword. Interface bank. How to create the interface with help of the bank keyword. Bank keyword. So declare a method float rate of interest. Okay, next create a class which implements the interface bank. Class SBI implements bank, opening brace, closing brace. Okay, next I will implement the method that is the rate of interest which is declared in the bank interface. Okay, public float which will return the float type of value, rate of rate of interest, rate of interest, and I will return the rate of interest, that is 9.5. Return 9.5. Okay, 9.1 it is. You can just print 9.5, no problem. Next is I will create another class which is also implementing from the class bank. Class A and B implements okay, here I will implement the method that is rate of interest. Okay, public float rate of interest. I will return the rate of interest is 9.1. Okay. Now I will create the class which contains the main method, that is test interface 1 oblique class test interface 1 class has an open brace and open brace. Inside the test interface I will create a main method public static void and string yeah yes string here. Okay, so inside the main method I will create the interface variable. Here you see here we cannot create the object of the interface variable, but we cannot create the object of the interface, but you can create the variable of the interface and you can store the object of the class in interface variable. So keep in mind, variable class variable, interface variable or class variable is different and object is different. Let me show the explanation here. I will create the class variable of the interface bank. How to create the class variable? Sorry, interface variable bank interface name and name of the variable, that is B. You can give anything, no problem. I have given that is B. Interface name, that is bank, and B. Now I have created the variable of interface bank. Okay, so next what I will do is I will create the object of the class SBI with help of the new keyword. With help of the new keyword. So next is just call the constructor of SBI class. Okay, SBI constructor. Okay, here constructor will create the object and it will store it into interface variable B. See here, class interface variable is different and class variable object is different. So here how to create the object with help of the new keyword. Okay, whatever the created object that will be stored in the interface variable B. How to create the object? New keyword and just call the constructor of a particular class. Okay, so here object of class SBI will be created and that will be stored into interface variable B. Okay. Next, what I will do is I will call b dot this method, that is rate of interest. Sorry, this method is by rate of interest. Okay, it will return 9.15 dot rate of interest. Rate of interest. Okay, save the program. Here, see here class name and file name should be same. The file name is test interface 1.java and even class name is also test interface 1.java. Class interface. Okay, now I will execute the program. Go to command prompt. Change the directory in, because my file is available in E drive. How to compile the file? Java C test interface phase 1.java. Okay, I have made some mistake. Let me check the file name here. Test interface. Okay, typo mistake here. Okay, I have added extra E here. Okay, there are errors. The written possible loss of precision, return. Okay, I will just put here F and return. Save the program. Compile it, recompile it. Okay, successfully compiled the program. There is no error. How to run the program? Java test interface 1. Last name is test interface 1. Okay, it's not displaying the value because we need to. Okay, what I will do is I will just here remove this float. I will add. I will use system.println method. System dot out dot println is rate of interest is 9.5. Okay, so same thing I will do in white float, and I will just copy the content and paste it inside the. I will add here 7. Okay, so in declaration we need to change here. Here is return type is 4. I will change it to 8. Okay, now I will run the program. Java C. Okay, Java test interface. Test interface. Yes, it is displaying 9.15. So see here, it displaying 9.15 because I have created the object of the class SBI. Suppose you want to display the 9.72, you just create the object of the class PNB. Okay, so we just call PNB. Let me check the output. Java C test interface.1.java. There is error, that is white yes. Okay, let me check the error. Here is error. I have added more SS here. Okay, now I will recompile the program. Java C test interface 1.java. Okay, again I am getting error, that is I think I did not save that program. I will save it. Okay. Yes, Java test interface. How to compile the program here? Java C test interface one.java, and how to run the program? Java test interface. Okay, Java space class name. Okay, it's 9.72. So this is about the interfaces example. Thank you. Check for watching. Stay on. Stay safe.